Hello everybody, my name is Joshua and I'll be solving is lucky. Alright, I've done it before a long time ago, long before the Super Bowl and things like Lemonade. I'm using the Codesignal website and you can find it in the arcade section. Now I'm going to go and quickly erase the code before I could see it and hopefully I remember how to solve this. Okay, now you're given ticket numbers. They usually consist of an even number of digits. And it's lucky if the sum of the first half of the digits is equal to the sum of the second half. Okay, interesting. So if you look at the examples, this is lucky, and it's true because it's 1 and 2 is 3, and 3 and 0 is 3. So it's the same, but in this case, it's different because 1 and 7 is 8, 2, 3, 9 is definitely more than 8, therefore it's false. So we're guaranteed to be given a ticket number that has an even number of digits. So let me think how I could solve this question. So I'm given a number of tickets, and is a lucky number. Turn false. Interesting. So initially what I have in mind is, well, a brute force way is to use about O of n space. And when I say O of n space, what I'll be doing is creating a string. It has the ticket values, and I just do n plus this. And when I do a string ticket like that one, I'll be given, it'll be the size of this object will be this number of digits in that letter. And if I iterate, let's see, I'll call it let for letters, and let is less than, let's just say ticket.size, and let plus plus. Now, what I also want to do is that I use a sum equals 0, and instead of just iterating through it once to get that sum, we want to go halfway only. So here's what's going to be happening, guys. So I need that size of that ticket actually, which is ticket.size, sweet, and I just say I just need this one to be size. There you go. Now we start from the boundaries and go inwards. Now the sum is going to be equal to ticket.character at, oh, hold for a second, guys. I gotta think about this. Because it's, I wish there was a way that I can convert it to a number, I mean, I can do an integer parse int, but it's not really nice looking. So here's what I'm planning, guys. So I'm going to say int left equals integer.parse int, and then I'm going to say ticket dot, I don't know if it could parse a character into a number. That's an interesting question. Let's see about this. It's going to throw a number format because it must be a string. Interesting. I don't want to do a substring. That's going to be, but that might be the only way to do it, huh? Unless, oh, I have a plan. Instead of when I get that character, I could cast it into a number, right? And I could do the same thing. I'll make it L and R to make it easier to read. So it'd be size minus let minus 1. There you go. And the sum is going to be equal to L minus R. And that should be expected to be 0 at the end of all those iterations. So we return sum should be equal to 0. Let's see if that works. So I'll just go over my code. It's going to be O of n space because we want to take it to a string to make it easier to iterate through each, that the difference between all the digits to the left and all the digits to the right is going to be equal to 0. And this is how the expression solves that. Run the test. Run the test. Wow. Not cool, man. Not cool. Making me look bad. Ah, because there's no size. It's called length, right? Now I don't look like a Java expert after that. Don't worry, I'll make mistakes. Forgive me. I've been using Kotlin, Android. Alright, anyways, it's working. Alright, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. And send all your money. No, just kidding. Well, if you like my video, please leave a comment below and maybe even include, a suggestion how to make this solution much more nicer or better. You know what? I could see maybe there's a way to refactor this so that it's going to be a nicer solution. Let me think about this. Is there a way to grab these digits without converting it into a string? That's a good question, huh? That's the question. That's the question. I can't really think of one. Anyways, I think this is the best solution I could think of. And if you guys think of a better one that avoids using this ticket and is just a basic arithmetic, please post it in the comments below. Have a good day, guys, and tickety-boo day.